Hi, this is Mukta Nagaraj from SPL Kitchen. Today's recipe is another version of making Nuchina Kadubu. To begin, in a pan, I'm going to add 2.5 cups of water. To this, I'm adding peas and allow it to boil. While the peas is boiling, I'm going to roast the Sooji. I'm not literally roasting, I'm just warming up the Sooji. The roasting or just the warming up of Sooji is done. I'll switch off the flame and pour it back to the container. By now the peas is boiled. I'm going to add in salt, jeera and peppercorns. I've made it into 2 pieces, grated coconut and some oil. When this is boiling, I'm going to pour in the Sooji. I'm going to cover this and cook for a couple of minutes so that the Sooji gets cooked. Now I'm going to switch off the flame. Give it a nice mix and take this into a bowl. Now I'm going to keep the steaming vessel with the water in it to boil. With a wet hand, I'm going to make this. In my other recipe, I had showed you how to make the thin ones to roast it. Same way, even in this recipe also, you can make the same version. Now the water is boiling in this. I'm going to spread in a muslin cloth. And place the patties into it and cover it again. I'm going to steam this for 15 minutes. Now I can switch off the flame. It is 15 minutes and it has steamed well. Now on to my serving dish. You should have this with lot of ghee and chutney. The more ghee, the more tastier. I'm showing you the roasted version too here of the same. Now the piping hot, the roasted and the steamed patties are ready to eat. For more recipes, like and subscribe SPL Foods.